Hello guys, welcome back to our game design channel. So in the last stream
We were telling about implement the lobby settings and stuff, but we didn't do it in the stream. We said we'll do it later on and then explain it in the next.
Okay, so today I think we'll be explaining how our lobby system works. So in Office, Moxie he has done some work and we approved some of the flows, so he can explain what are the things will be there for our lobby screen. So we don't have main menu screen for our game, the shooter game we are building, because the game is not a standalone game. It is inside the platform, right? It might be a little different how people are used to it with the. So let me share my screen.
Okay, so I'll start explaining. So this is basically our main screen for our shooter game. So before the shooter game starts, we have to showcase the player what and all is going on here. So first of all, you can see the number of points and jumps which you currently have, and also if you have played some games in our battle box, you might have seen that you have to spend some coins in order to play the game. So here it shows, for example, we have showcased it as 500 battle bucks, but it might change based on the values which we keep. And on the top left corner, we can see our player name and our own info, so that like other players can recognize you if you like decide to stream or showcase your gameplay to others. Then again, back button is to actually go to the platform back instead of this game, and you can try out other games as well. And here you can see 4 options. So these 4 options will lead you to different pages based on the tag which we have given. So tournament tag, states tag, how to play, and friends. And friends is basically like the people you play with. You can befriend them, and if you want to play with them again, you can like invite them, or you can chat with them here using the chat function and stuff. And here you can see above the play button, we have a free for all gaming room. This is the mode which is currently chosen. At the corner of that, you can see a switch button, right? So basically, this is not the only mode which is available in the shooter game. So inside battlebox there are many games. Inside those many games, we have one of the game is the shooter game, and again inside this shooter game there are many other modes. So basically, if you click on this free for all gaming room switch button, it will carry you to this next page. So in this next page, you can see all the different modes which will be available for you to play the shooter game with. So for now, currently we only have free for all mode, and here you can see whichever mode you have selected, that will be indicated by the stick mark, so that it's easier for you as a player to recognize it. Then other than free for all mode, we obviously have the practice room just to get to know the map and get to know all the guns. And we are planning on implementing team deathmatch as well, and along with that battle royale mode as well. Here you can see that battle royale mode is saying set to be coming soon. So this is our plan, how we will showcase future modes which will be coming in the future. And at the top we'll be displaying a timer. Basically it says 7 days 18 hours, just for the player to know when it might drop and when they have to be ready to play the new mode. Then after selecting whichever mode the player wants to, you can click on the confirm button, and after clicking on the confirm button, he'll be brought back to the home page. And whichever mode he has selected, that the name of that mode will be written here, so that the player knows, okay, this is the mode I'm playing, and then he can click on the play button just for double confirmation. Then again, as I said, there are many buttons here, right? So let's say you click on the tournament button, it will take you to the tournament page. In the tournament page, you can see basically here at the top, it will be the thumbnail of the game will be showcased here. For now, I will just put the logo, and then if any tournaments regarding the shooter game is going on, it will be shown here, along with the data such as how much is the coins which you need to spend to participate in the tournament, how long will the tournament last for, how much trophies you will win if in case if you win the tournament. In case there are no tournaments which is going on, it will just say this usual messages which you might have seen before. It's lonely here. And again, there will be a practice button at the bottom of it, like in case you let's say there's a tournament ready, but instead of immediately going into the tournament, you want to practice first, so you can click on the practice button, play with the bots, and then get the hang of it, and then you can actually go to the tournament. Then at the corner of each of these pages, you can see the back button. Clicking on any of this back button will carry you back to the main screen. And again, let's say here you clicked on the stats button, so it will carry you to the stats page, and it will basically say the statistics of the game. Currently, like we didn't want to reveal all the statistics to you, so we have put coming soon. And again, if you click back, it will go to the home screen, and from there the last button, I believe, no, last second button, if you click on how to play, it will carry you to the how to play page. And basically here it will showcase like the basic description of what do you have to do, and then a step by step description of what you will be doing in the game. So basically choosing a weapon during the weapon selection phase, and then eliminating the players, etc. And also there will be a small video link provided here using this blue button here, clicking on it will play a video for the player so that he can visually see the video and understand how to actually play this mode. And again, the practice mode is given here so that once you learn the rules, you can click on the practice button and test out the features which we explained here. Then the last button, which is the friends tab. Friends tab will take you to the friends section. This is not finalized yet, but this is our plan which we want to, like, this is our basic idea which we want to implement. So all your friends list will be showcased here with along with their photo, your friend's name, their rank if we implement rank into the game, and their kill death ratio, just so you know whether they are a good player or not. And also at the left of that, you can see whether they are active or not. Basically, green means they are active and red means they are inactive, so that you can know when to invite them. And then also there's a text tab in case you want to text them directly in the game itself. And at the bottom you can see arrow button. This arrow button is basically to scroll through all your friends list. So these are all the elements which are present here in our lobby right now. This is basically all just a mock-up. We are planning on implementing all this. Slightly, we might be making some changes in the future as well. And also in the main screen, I forgot to tell you that, like here in the middle, you can see the character, right? So whatever customizations you give to the character, like for our character, we have various customizations such as headgear, upperwear, bottom wear, and shoes and accessories, I believe. So you can customize them however you want. And whatever customizations you do, that will be showcased here, maybe with some idle animations and slight movement, just so that it feels alive. And you can see them here directly in the main screen. So these are all the plans which we want to implement, and these are all the mockups for our lobbies.
Okay, Moxie, thank you for explaining. Few things. Tell you what are the next steps. The next step, just put coming soon for the friend section right now, because this is quite a big feature, right? And we want to do it perfectly. So we'll be dedicatedly working on this feature, like doing more research and everything. So for now, just for release sake, early access, we'll just put it coming soon. Okay.
I'll just write down everything which we have to make changes coming soon. Okay.
Next thing is on the main menu. You can start noting, like giving annotation to all the screens actually.
Okay. So basically, just like that breakdown of the UI elements which we did like in the previous stream, like that. Okay.
Yes. Mostly these two screens, because the rest are the same from the platform, the app we have from Battlebacks platform. Just one thing we have to change is that, like, the platform is in portrait mode.
Portrait mode. Yeah.
I think their thing UI UX team can handle it.
Okay. So for now main screen and game mode selection screen, I have to annotate everything.
Yeah, and you can just keep the screen and explain in the document with bullet points.
Okay, that's my work for tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope this was useful, and we'll be back tomorrow explaining whatever we did.
Yeah, and also I think so much things to do. The release is very close. That's why everybody's a little busy right now. But we'll try to stream more time on weekends, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. Let's say bye.